A 13-year-old World Cup drought has finally ended. How are you feeling?
It's a mixed feeling right now. I don't know. Maybe in a couple of hours it'll sink in. But it's a great feeling. It's a great feeling to be precise at this point in time. We've been working really hard as a group, as a team, to achieve this. In the past, we've been on the wrong side of it as well, so we know what it takes. But I'm really proud of each one of them. Because it required everyone to come together and put in the performances.
From that 2022 knockout in the semi-finals to being unbeaten in this campaign, this team has come a long way. A word on this unit and captaining them and playing alongside them?
No, like I said many a times before as well, these are quite professional bunch of boys. Anytime I ask something of them, they are ready with their both hands up. They want to get the job done for the team, no matter what the situation is of the team, and that is what we've been talking within the group as well for last couple of years, that we want guys to take responsibility, play with freedom, play fearless cricket, not worry about the results so much, and things will fall in place. In the 50-over World Cup as well, we were very consistent as a team. Just one off day for us there, and to know that we are unbeaten in this tournament feels really good. Like I said, it required everyone to come together. It was not a couple of guys' job to get us through the line. It was everyone who we wanted to come to the party and get the job done. These are, like I said, professional boys. They've handled themselves really well. So very proud for them as well. But yeah, again, as a team, for us also, it's a great achievement.
Playing with freedom, playing fearless cricket, is that something that you applied to yourself as well? Because we saw some great knocks through the course of this World Cup from you.
Yeah. It is something that I've been trying to do for a few years now. Wanted to go there, play naturally, play my game, not worry about the results so much. Like I said, if you're brave enough, you don't need to worry about the outcome so much. And I think as a team, we've been brave enough. We took some risky options as well along the tournament, which actually paid off. And that is where, that saying comes in, fortune always favors the brave. So everyone's been brave, and today, we've been rewarded with a beautiful trophy as well.
Before the tournament started, Rohit, we found out that you are a little nervous when the matches are on. How are your nerves through the course of this final?
I was nervous all the way through. Even last night, I couldn't eat properly because, I was desperate for this. When you are desperate for something and you have something in your vision, all the other things doesn't matter so much around you, and you're only looking at that one goal. But I know how to handle myself in situations like this, which I did pretty well for myself, handling the boys around, because obviously being a captain, there are a lot of changes that you need to make, a lot of calls you need to make as well. So I knew that I had to be calm and composed all the way through, and just think only about what is the right thing to do at this point in time. Everything fell in place. We were under pressure at some point in time today as well, but I thought, guys showed tremendous character. They were brave enough, like I said. They were brave. They took risky options and it paid off.
Congratulations. What are the celebrations looking like before you go?
I don't know. We're just heading now to the dressing room. Everyone's been so desperate for this. Finally to come through and cross the line feels really great for everyone as well. These guys, more than me as well, these guys also wanted this really bad. But yeah, obviously it's going to be a good celebration for sure.
Congratulations on a fabulous win and all the best for the future.
Thanks.